Before we begin, please ensure your vehicle is parked in a safe location and your engine is turned off. Stretch the bottom of the seat cover over the bench. Determine if you need to remove any panels for smaller bench seats. If your bench seat has the capability to split the panels and install bolsters where the bench divides. The bolsters attach to the separated panels using a zipper for a snug fit around split bench seat. The front straps connect to the rear straps, and the sides will connect to each other or to the bolsters for split bench. Extra long straps help clear hard-to-reach areas. Ensure the normal function of the seat belt is not interfered with. The top has openings to slide over the headrests. Take your time to smooth out corners and edges. The top straps connect to the bottom straps, and the sides will connect to each other or to the bolsters for split or folding seats. Take your time to smooth out corners and edges. Slide the headrest covers over the headrests and align.